history. I dropped maths in standard 8 and pursued history, although we study the European, the South African history in their own perspective. But came now, fortunately, out of curiosity, I studied a lot of Inasiga history based on those individuals Inasiga uthetha ngazo. The problem as Zabanayo, we don't have currently. There was a resolution at Kwenye conferences, ANC, ne? That they need to make this subject compulsory. But I would like now go to London and implement abantu ba study history layabo ngokwe heroes zabo, because there is no use for us to study Jan van Riebeeck, Jan Smart, and Botha. You name them. There is no use for them. And because a problem ephinde ibe khona is kwezi zikolo ayithathelwa ntweni nyani history. You go to public schools ayithathelwa ntweni. You go to the so-called model C schools. Model C schools will tell you about history according to their own heroes. They will make sure that they paint black people as bad. So hence we have a responsibility, because we are taking abantwana bethu sibase ku model school, but we have a responsibility to tell uKhanya, my daughter, about Biko. And she knows about Biko. Xa usiyapha because bazama ukuba orientator ngokwendlela yabo ukuthi no aba bantu babe wrong. Uyabona, Mandela becomes their hero uyabona, sometimes uyabona kwinto esisuta bona. So ibalulekile kakhulu nyani history. I was like, when you read Kwame Nkrumah, surprised to find out otherwise. Even in Guinea they made him an honorary co-president, being they did not take him as a foreigner in Africa, because Guinea is in Africa. Out of the relationship between Ghana and Guinea, if Jengba overthrow from Ghana, they made him a president there, a co-president. So I was so surprised about knowing that. I think abantwana bethu, they must know Inasiga history. History is very important. And history, let us not let them, let us avoid bona basixelele about their own heroes. And it is no problem up. Every street, every highway is being named after the ANC notetanga heroes. And yet we have got other heroes who struggle against apartheid. It's not only ANC. There are other people like Jongo Sobuka. There was a Sobuka clause, isn't it? Sobuka was going away Petoga Kapsung. What Julius Nyarara said, we have disappointed Kwame. Now I like Inasiga honesty with Julius Nyarara. I'll never crucify Julius Nyarara for that. Because I get mistakes. Because Kwame, in my own analysis, is interpreting Steve Biko what the most potent weapon of the oppressor is the mind of the oppressed. Because we bonile na Kwame that no kudlalwa ngathi the oppressors basadlala ngathi you might be presidents nonke, but still nisena abantu abanicontrolayo duwe your oppressors. Yabona mna ke bendinothetha loo nto ngaye. Secondly, nxa ndijonge i-state of affairs zase-Afrika, uKwame Nkrumah ebengasozonwani. firstly, being one of the leaders who were at the forefront of the establishment of Organization of African Unity. Ebengasozonwabe mhlambi nxa andiyazi the reason behind why change into a African Union. And the most African Union it's just a useless organization about Africa. It's just a lapdog of the Europeans. The state of Africa is directionless because we've got leaders who are sellouts. If I can look at the brother leader, Muammar Gaddafi. Muammar Gaddafi, I think he was having that mind that Africa must be united. The Europeans, they are in their position and this fit hence Kwame. No, let us teach as must have one president. But the Europeans, when they came here, was as presidents, and when you are a president, there are whole packs that are associated with a president. Everybody wants to be a president because but once you associate being a president and you are associated with being a loglondo, pretenders, Kwame Nkrumah will not be happy with the state of affairs. Kwame Nkrumah will not be happy with the current state of South Africa. They wanted South Africa to be free. Some of his leaders were saying that we cannot be happy when we are free, when South Africa is not free. I think South Africa was not free at that time. So he would not be happy with the current state of Africa, South Africa, and especially with the arrangement SCNZ and the white people who are because our leaders have sold out. Yes, we are free politically. He would not be happy with the sunset clause that gives us political freedom, and yet the economy is at the hands of the enemy. So that's my own analysis, brothers. When I zoom, leader wanted Africa to be united. He would not be even afraid to come out, and when I look at him, to come out and say that it is wrong for us as black people to segregate one another, to call one another names. Then he will not be happy even into xenophobia. No. Hence they were able to take as leaders they were able to take the artists or the freedom fighters like Miriam Makeba. Miriam Makeba was a freedom fighter. He was using that specific arena, like Mali, like Peter Tosh. When Peter Tosh says equal rights, when Peter Tosh says that if you are an African, wherever you come from, so I think is a state of affairs. We call our African brothers all sorts of names, which is very wrong. So he would not be like happy if I study in mind. Yeah, okay, maybe I'm wrong, but I'm sure that he would not be happy. Kwame Nkrumah, that's way Nancy and Mbonangai.